In the first week of year, Nancy saved $1. In each of the next 51 weeks, she saved $1 more than she had saved in the previous week. So it becomes kind of a question of sequences. All you have to do is find the sequence that the question wants you to form. So in the first week, the saving is $1. Now, in the next week, it is one more than the previous week. That means the next week, the saving will be $2. The next week thereafter will be saving 3, then the next week saving 4, and so on. It has to continue till the 52nd week when the saving will be $52. What was the total amount that Nancy saved during the 52 weeks? That means what we have to find is sum of all these numbers up to 52. So what we call this is arithmetic progression. In arithmetic progression, the sum of any number of terms, the n number of terms, can be calculated. Sum of n terms can be calculated as first term plus last term times the number of terms divided by 2. Let's just quickly understand where exactly does this relationship come from. So this relationship comes from the very simple observation that if we have terms such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, if you look at it carefully, the sum of the first and the last term will be same as sum of the second and second last term. You see, sum of first and last term is 7. Second and second last term is also 7. Third and third last is also 7. So if we have to add them, the sum of all these 6 terms will be sum of first term plus last term multiplied by, since there are 6 terms, so the number of pairs will be 6/2. This is also valid for any odd number of terms in the series as well. For example, if we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then you see the sum of the first term and last term is 6, second and second last is also 6, but there are only 2.5 pairs. That means 5/2 pairs, because there are 5 terms, so the number of pairs will be 5/2, and every pair gives you the sum that is equal to the sum of first term plus the last term. Now this also gives us another progression. That means we can generalize the sum of n consecutive numbers from 1 to n in the way that sigma n, which is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to n, is equal to n/2 pairs, and every pair has the sum first term plus the last term. So many of us remember this as a formula as well, so we can apply either of these two to find the answer. So sum of all the numbers from 1 to 52 will be 52 divided by 2 multiplied by first term plus the last term, that is 26 multiplied by 53. The first thing I see is that the unit digit is going to be 6 multiplied by 3. That means the unit digit has to be 8. Now all I can see is that there is only one option with unit digit 8, and that is option C. So C option has to be the correct answer. If you simplify this, the answer will be 1378. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.